Good morning, friends. Good morning. You can see the beautiful vegetables, how they are hanging through the net. I think this is the most beautiful scenery I have ever seen in my life. You can see how they are hanging. They are just when the wind is blowing, they are hanging. There are so many. And my wife has told me to pluck them today. But before plucking them, I am thinking as if I am going to do some crime, because I am taking the children from the mother. You know that these fruits are the children of the plant or creepers. So definitely when I pluck them forcefully, they would be sad. They would be definitely sad, but at the same time they smile, because they know that they don't have power to protest. They are under our custody. As and when we want to do anything, they are ready to do this. And they are born for this. But we human beings are not thinking that way. Many times we are very, very self-centered. I can take an example of the children after highly educated. They get service and get money, but in order to earn more, they go abroad and settle down there. Many of my friends are in US, Canada, UAE, and their parents are old now. They need care this time. But the children are sending them money, but they are not coming with different type of manipulative talks. They are thinking that they are doing their job, but this is not correct. The parents at their old age, if they do not get the care from their children, then they live very difficult life. So I was also working abroad for almost 5 years. I visited so many countries. But after working some years, when I found that I have covered up my loan, I came to India. Now I am staying with my parents. I'm not telling that it is everybody's are same like me or fortunate like me, but they must visit their parents frequently, maybe twice a year, or can bring their parents with them. So that is important for their children's duty towards parents. Some parents are feeling very proud when they say my son, my daughters are in America, they have got green card, they are settled down there. But other time, they feel very sad when we try to find out their, internal feelings, because they need their children. So it is the duty of the children that they must, stay with their parents for some time, mostly at the old age, because more than money, they need their children's presence with them. So that is a very important aspect of life now. As geriatric problems are now too much, many old people are suffering from diabetes, other type of diseases. So they have the money, they can afford for the private nurse, but what children will give them, they cannot get by the nurses. So therefore, it is important for us to think sometime about our parents, because today we are young, tomorrow we will be also old. And that time our children will behave the same way as we are behaving with our parents today. So we must think about our future also. If I do good job today, definitely I will get the good output of my good job. So we should not be thankless, we should not be ungrateful, we should think about our parents and definitely visit them, talk to them frequently, and if there is some problem, we definitely go and help them. We should not think it is a burden for us. Our parents are our asset. Once upon a time, they gave their whole life for us. With limited resources, they educated us. With limited earnings, they provided us good education, good life, discipline, good behavior. But is not it our duty today that when they are in need, we must stay with them until the last stage of their life? If we can understand their problems, so we'll get blessings. Ultimately, parents are the living God and goddesses for us. So it is important to understand our duty. So when I come and see my garden, I get a very good topic, social topic, emotional topic to discuss with you. If you like, you can subscribe my channel. You can think that I will tell you good things. Everybody knows I am not taking the credibility that I know very much. I will tell you a lot of things. Everybody knows, but it is good to communicate. We should communicate good things to others through the medium, any medium. So YouTube has given this nice platform where you can upload your feelings, your good behavior through different videos. Thank you so very much. Good day.